I always feel better about things when my hair, skin and nails are looking their best. It all starts with a nutritious and balanced diet and includes plenty of high quality proteins and fresh fruit and vegetables. For the health of your skin in particular, make sure you're also consuming healthy sources of oil. That means prioritizing foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids like oily fish, nuts and seeds, and minimizing unhealthy types of fat, like those found in deep fried and processed foods. There are also a number of nutrients that your diet specifically needs to contain if you want to keep your complexion, your nails, and your hair in tip-top shape. Zinc is one of the first ones that comes to mind. It's required for strong hair and nails, as well as the health and repair of the skin. Foods that are good sources of zinc include oysters, red meat, chicken, legumes, and pepitas. When it comes to your hair, make sure you're getting enough biotin, which is also known as vitamin B7. It can be found in foods like eggs, almonds, sweet potatoes, and spinach, so try to include these in your diet on a regular basis. In traditional Chinese medicine, the hair, skin, and nails are traditionally believed to be nourished by the blood, which maintain appropriate levels of moisture in the body's organ and tissues. Dong Quai is a herb that's traditionally regarded as a blood tonic that improves hair health, strengthens the nails, and moistens dryness to improve skin health in traditional Chinese medicine. Above all, be patient. These tips and any other changes that you implement to improve your hair and skin and nail health may have benefits over long term, but don't expect to notice a big difference in a short time frame.